Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing some beauty blender or beauty sponges. Let's go ahead and get right into this. This is a really good deal because it comes with a ton. So this is how it comes packaged. And we'll see how many's in here. Look how stinking cute the packaging to this is, first of all. It says BS Mall latex-free makeup sponge. So there are 6 big sponges and a little teeny tiny sponge right there. This one actually matches me today. So super cute. It has like some really light colors. This is like a pretty kind of like a plush pink. This is like a more muted, it's almost like a light, almost white pink. This is like a purplish pink. Has another one. Pretty sure these ones are the same. This one may be slightly bigger. I don't know, they look pretty much the same. This one right here. This is the little baby one. This is really good for like putting concealer on. And then this one. So I'm going to wet. I like to use these wet, but I'm gonna wet one of these since I'm pretty sure they're like exactly the same. Let me go ahead and wet this and show you how big they get once they're wet. Okay, so you can see this is like the before and this is the after. They feel super soft, like they feel like the original beauty blender, like super soft. I've tried pretty much everything under the sun, and this is a really nice one. It's not like the cheapy ones that you'd get like at the dollar store or anything. It's like really, really nice and got a good, nice bounce to it. And this is what the small one looks like, big. So it's a lot bigger and a lot softer. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some foundation so you guys can see how well they blend out your makeup. It's actually my favorite way to apply foundation. So I'm going to pump some foundation. I'm just using the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation, and I like to put it on this, about 2 pumps, and then I dip this just like that and just start applying it all over my face. So you can see how well it blends everything in, just making a really smooth finish. Super, super soft. I cannot believe how good quality these are. I think they've really stepped up the game with these. So as you can see, this is without foundation and this is with. So let me go ahead and finish this side of my face and I'll be right back. Okay, so that's what it looks like with the foundation on. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of concealer. I'm gonna put it just right under my eyes like that. And I'm gonna take the smaller one. And this just really gets up in the nooks and crannies. You can see, really just blends it out really well. I like to take that on the inside of my eye as well. Just blend it out. I'll go back over it with the other one. Got a little bit of mascara, I mean, on my thing, as you can see, it goes into these little areas like this really, really well. Okay, and then I'm gonna go over this with this one with no extra product. Just kind of going over everything just to kind of really blend it in so there's no harsh lines. So just like that. Very nice. And then you can also get these, you can contour. I'll just show you real quick how I contour. I'm just using a really dark concealer. This is by e.l.f. Super cheap and affordable. It does really good for contouring or kind of bronzing. More of a bronze than a contour. Just warming up my face. So you can see, super pretty. And then you can take the same sponge that you did everything else with, because why not? And I'm gonna go in with my powder. This is my Laura Mercier powder. And I'm just going to set all this. I just push it into my skin. Okay, so that's what it looks like with the bronzer and everything on. And then I like to go over it with a little powdered bronzer, just like that. Just a little bit, it doesn't take much because I did already bronze. Just gonna go over and darken everything up a little bit. Just like that, and then I'm going to add a little bit of blush. This is Clinique, I think. I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure this is Clinique though. Just any blush. And then I'm just gonna go. And that is it. You've seen how super, super pretty. It made everything look. I did get powder on me. It's going to dust right off. But so pretty. These work amazing. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.